It's time to dance, it's time to feel the bar and move around like never before. Today I've got for you a beginner's follow along bar with a little bit of Christmas in there that we are going to be doing together. You just need to follow. It's very simple, so adult dancers out there, if you've just discovered ballet and you figured what it can do for you, I think it's time for you to put your ballet slippers on and grab your bar. Come on, let's do this together. Before we start our Christmassy hint ballet class, there is something very magical coming at Lazy Dancer Tips. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below for the magical Christmas bundle that is coming very soon. Lots of prizes and things for you. Come on, let's dance. Breathe. Go plie. Place your foot back. We go down, down, and again. One. And down. One more. Come back in. Lift up, we go to second, same thing. One. This time in front, one, lift up, and down, foot in front, and down, foot in front. From here we lift up, turn around, prepare the side, and breathe, foot back, down, and again, like a fairy tale. One more. Come back in, lift up, breathe, we go to second, down, foot in front, lift up, down, foot in front, lift, down, foot in front. This time you stay. Lift, squeeze everything in. Open fifth. Fly like an angel. Squeeze down. Very cheeky this one. We go with the foot. Foot, and we go in, out, foot, in, out, tendu, to the side, to the back, little lift, foot again, foot, little cheeky, go, foot, little cheeky, to the back, back, in, side, in, front, plie, turn around. Cheeky, foot, cheeky, tendu front, tendu side, tendu back, little lift, foot, foot, cheeky, and foot, cheeky, to the back. Side, front, turn around. side, back, arm up. Come on, last cheeky. One. And again. More cheeky. To the back, to the side, to the front, then around. Come on, give me that shoulder. Shoulder, forward, side, back, lift up to arm, foot, and up, to the back, to the side, stay there, lift, happy. Push aside, one, and in, cloche in front, one, back, and again, one, front, back, ready, turn around, forward, and back, and again, forward, back, finish. Remember that the magical Christmas bundle at Lazy Dancer Tips is coming very soon, so I highly recommend you to click on the link down below to be one of the first to discover what it is. Christmas magic is coming. Well done.